Hey guys, Pete here with GIS Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to add a web map tile service to your QGIS project. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so let's get started. So a lot of times you come across a data set and you want to add that to your QGIS project and you're not sure how. I'll leave a link to this web page in the description below. It's a web map tile service for the Texas Parks and Wildlife. So what you would do is simply copy this URL or any WMTS URL. In this case, I'm just simply right-clicking, copying the link address, and I'll return to my QGIS project. Up at the top toolbar, I am going to navigate to Layer and then Add Layer. Under here, let's navigate to Add WMS/WMTS layer. So that's the Web Map Service and Web Map Tile Service. So click onto that, and what we're going to do is add a new layer. So click on New, and I would give it a name. I'm going to say Texas Department of Wildlife. And I'm going to paste that URL from that website right here. Sometimes there's authentications that you need to set up. In this case, there's not. It's a public-facing data set. Otherwise, you would go ahead and add. I have two windows, so I apologize. So when I clicked add, this came up. Authentication, you would put in whatever credentials that is. But again, this is a public serving data set, so I'm just going to disregard that. I'm going to leave everything else defaulted. And let's minimize this a little bit so I could click OK. Here we go. Click OK. And here's my Texas Department of Wildlife layer. I'm going to click on Connect, and it looks like it connected okay. And I'm going to select it and click Add and Close. And here is that layer. So I hope you guys found this short tutorial helpful by any means. If you guys have any questions or difficulties doing this, please go and leave a comment down below. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.